Hey there, fellow road traveler. Welcome. I'm John the Mouse. I have been in the trucking industry for over 20 years. I have been sharing different sites along the way and will continue to tell you my raw stories, expert tips, and must-know insights for your home and business to keep you rolling. Learn the ins and outs of heavy machinery, master road conditions, and drive alongside the different trucking lifestyle. Whether you're a driver, traveler, gearhead, or just love the cheese of the matter, gear up and let's travel this great highway together. 1073 at the 45 yardstick. Sounds like gibberish? If you're new to CB radio, 10 codes can feel like a secret cipher, but don't sweat it. Today, I'm decoding the top 10 codes every trucker needs to talk fast, stay safe, and sound like a pro. By the end, you'll be ready to jump on Channel 19 with confidence. Let's crack the code. Welcome back, Road Warriors. I'm John the Mouse, with over 20 years hauling freight and sharing the journey on YouTube for a decade. From dodging bears to navigating blizzards, CB10 codes have saved my bacon more times than I can count. In this video, we'll master the key 10 codes, hear them in real conversation, and learn why they're the backbone of CB communication. The 10 codes are short, numbered phrases that pack big messages into a few seconds. Born in the 1930s for police radios, truckers adopted them by the 1970s for quick, clear chats on the busy channel like 19. They're like texting emojis for the road. 10-4 is the ultimate got it. There are over 210 codes, but we'll focus on the must-knows for the truckers. The 10-1, receiving poorly, your signal's weak. We have 10-2, receiving well, loud and clear. 10-3, stop transmitting, clear the air. 10-4, message received, like okay. 10-5, relay message to someone else. 10-6, busy, stand by. 10-7, out of service, maybe parking for the night. 10-8, in service, back on the road. 10-9, repeat your message, didn't catch it. 10-10, done talking, standing by. 10-13, advise weather or road conditions. 10-20, what's your location? As in, what's your 20? 10-33, emergency traffic, accident or hazard. 10-73, speed trap, watch for cops. 10-100 was bathroom break, gotta go. 10-200, police needed at a location. With over 210 codes, well, starting with these 16, they are the most common. Keep a cheat sheet in your cab and practice on Channel 19. Don't hog the airways. Use brake to jump in. If you're fuzzy, say 10-9 for a repeat. And heads up, using the 10 codes to hide illegal stuff can break FCC rules, so keep it legit. Now let's see these 10 codes in action. Let's revisit our truckers, Big Rig, Little John, and Diesel Don from the first part of our video. They're on I-40 in New Mexico using the codes like 10-4, 10-13, and 10-33. Listen up and spot these codes as we just covered.
Breaker 19, this is Big Rig Little John, eastbound. Anybody got their ears on? What's the 20 back to the line, over?
10-4, Little John, this is Diesel Dawn, westbound at marker 150. Road's clear so far, but there's a chicken coop open. At the 120-yard stick got a bear sittin' pretty with a Kodak. Keep it under the double nickels. Copy? Over.
Roger that, Don. Appreciate the heads up. Don't need no Smokey taking my picture today. You see any alligators out there? Had one chew up my tire last week. Over.
Negatory on the Gators, Little John, but I dodged a bumper sticker back at Gallop. Some four-wheeler riding, my tail like I'm hauling gold. Hammer down now, though, motion lotion's flowing. What's your 20 headed? Over.
I'm California bound with this reefer load. Gotta keep the hammer down to make my slot. You? Over.
10-4. I'm dropping this flatbed in Amarillo, then bobtailing back east. Might hit the coop for a 10-100 if the line's short. You hear any 10-30, 3 up ahead? Over.
Negatory on the 1033. But I got a 1013 for you. Weather's looking dicey past the wagon wheel. Might want to check your wipers. Oh, and watch out for a bear bait flying past in a red pickup. Guy's weaving like he's on moonshine. Over.
Copy that, good buddy. I'll keep my eyes peeled for that bear bait. Thanks for the 1013. Say, you hit that diner in Tucumcari yet? Best pie this side of the Pecos. Over.
Affirmative, Don. That cherry pie's worth a 10-100 stop. Tell 'em Big Rig sent you. All right, I'm 10-10 for now. Keeping that sunny side up. Catch you on the flip. Over and out.
10-4, Little John. Shiny side up, hammer down, and stay safe. Diesel Dawn's 10-10.
Meaning got it. 1020 showed up in what's the 20 for location. 10-100 was Don's bathroom break. 1013 was Little John's weather update. And 1033 checked for emergencies. 1010 wrapped it up, meaning they're standing by. These codes make CB talk lightning fast and crystal clear. Ready to level up your CB skills? At John the Mouse University, I share 20 years of trucking wisdom through premium courses, from 10 codes to advanced logistics. Check the link below to start learning. That's your guide to the 10 codes, the key to pro-level CB talk. In our next video, we'll dive into trucker slang from alligators to bears. Subscribe, hit the bell, and drop your favorite 10 code in the comments. For more, visit John the Mouse University. Keep it 10-8 and rolling safe. I truly appreciate you spending time with us today. Thank you for watching. I would love to see you as part of the John the Mouse University. I can't wait to see you there. Here's a few videos you might enjoy. Thanks again. Until we meet again.